Good morning, folks. It is February 15th, approximately 10 o'clock a.m. Central Time. I am snowed and iced in. I'm going to give y'all a quick visual here. Look at this. Y'all can see that is my backyard, and we are iced in. My golf greens are out of commission currently. That being said, snowed in, off of work. The market's closed. It's President's Day. So I figured, why not do an analysis of Sundial growers, SNDL. So let's look at this and see what's going on with Sundial. All right, so we had a closing price of $208 on Friday, down 12.61%. This is a 10-day chart. So we had a pretty good jump here, back the 10th. It started to skyrocket. On the February 11th, it seemed to have peaked out at about $3.45 a share. I was actually watching this stock at that point and was like, wow, how this is like the next AMC, the next, GameStop. And come to find out, it kind of was. It actually kind of was. Because if you go back on February 8th, this stock looks like it was around like $1, right? Around $1, and then it shot up ×3 the value within 2 days, and it's like, hold on, we're going up, we're going up, we're going up. So the hype's developing, and it did. The hype developed, and there was a lot of people that threw in. There's a lot of people that made some money, and there's now, unfortunately, there's a lot of people lost some money. Everybody was like, well, how high is this ride going to go? So there's a lot of people that invested around the $3 mark or the $2.75, maybe even the $3.50. And then what happened? Now, I speculate like the Reddit clan, right? So it's kind of, it got hyped up. It was a lot of money pumping into this, and then it peaked, and just as quick as it went up, it went back down. So we had a closing price of $208 on Friday. We're still up $1.08, say, from where it was February 8th. So it hasn't completely corrected itself, but it has definitely taken a downward spiral. We have a bid-ask size going into Tuesday of 12,600 bids in. People looking to buy 12,600 shares, and there's also more people selling currently at 25,600. So this is continuously trying to sell off, and if this stays this same equation going into Tuesday, this will continue to fall. I mean, if there's more people selling and less people buying, hindsight, this stock is going to continue to tumble. And that being said, that would be my expectations for this on Tuesday, unless, a big investment comes in. Next thing you know, someone buys, 2 million shares. They say this was a light volume on Friday at 99,631,244. That seems high volume to me, but apparently that's light volume in that world. So my expectations of this, like I said, this is just my expectations, my personal beliefs and analysis just by looking at it. And what would I pump money into this come tomorrow, or would I sell? Well, depending on the price you're in, I would say tomorrow sell. As you see, that's what most people are doing tomorrow, as this equation right here sets out, with a bid-ask size of 12,600 over 25,600. So there's more people selling. Why? Because these people that are probably in at $2.50, $3 a share, they are seeing the trend. They are seeing that this could very well correct itself and fall back to the dollar price here within the next 2 weeks, unless something drastically changed. So they are salvaging their money because they are seeing it bleed. And then you also have the people that are in at $1 that just seen this thing skyrocketed and they held on to it. Things will keep going, and now they're like, uh-oh, it is falling. So they're cashing in their profits to secure, which would be the smart. But the way it goes, it's more leaning towards the sell day than anything, as also the bid ask size. So yeah, so this is the trend it's going. Even if you look, it is going. Look at the highs over the last couple days. Look at the lows. It's definitely a downwards trend. So this is going to, it seems as if this is going to continue to fall going into Tuesday. I wouldn't see this as a buy price now. This would not be the time to jump in Sundial by what I see. Now, everybody do their own smart investing and do what y'all would do, what makes sense. I personally would not buy into Sundial currently. And also, I'd like to talk about something else. What did I do the other day? Well, I made some moves. I've really been into the energy sector here recently. It's been pretty fruitful for me. As overall, the market was pretty much flat to red on Friday last week, but I was actually able to make a little money. So my current positions right now is Phoenix Energy, and here's why I bought into Phoenix Energy. Actually, it's Phoenix Minerals. So Phoenix had their earnings on Wednesday last week, and they did not meet their earnings. Okay, let's go here. So yes, so here's was their overall. Let's look at the 6-month chart here. So you see this 6-month chart. There is a pattern here. There's a trend. It's going up. It's going up. It's going up. Well, what happened on Thursday was, now I did not own this company on Thursday, but what happened was the earnings came out. They didn't meet their expectations on earnings, so that stock, was at $3.50 that day, and it dropped all the way down to about $3.15 a share. Okay, so the damage was done. Okay, they didn't meet their earnings. Boom, it hurt it that day. But that was all it did. This is still on a continuously incline. And after earnings, didn't meet it. Boom, there's a sell-off. There's the damage. That's what happened. They didn't meet their earnings. So now what's it going to do? It's going to continuously work in its uphill trend. So I was actually able to purchase, I think I purchased like 940 shares or something. So that's what I did. Because why? Well, the earnings came out. The damage was done. The stock price fell. And then it was slowly been trying to recover, and it has. And I've actually, let's go back here, and we'll. So I actually purchased this at $2 or $3.23 a share about mid-morning, and since then, and the recovery is happening. It's up to $3.31 currently. I'm making, $8.80 a penny, and it has went up. It's continues to recover, and I expect that incline to continue, at least for the short term and long term as well. I believe before the pandemic, this company was up to about $12 a share, and since November, it has been continuously working its way up. So it didn't meet its earnings. It had a slight drop off. There's the buy opportunity. Now it's going to continuously work its way back up. Another company that I bought into on Friday is Superior Drilling Products. Now this is just more of a, I had $1,000 to play with, and I wanted to own a lot of shares. I didn't want to spend a lot, and this had a pretty good trend going with it as well. It seemed to be a kind of a hot stock here. So here's the 5-day chart on this company, and it is working its way up as well. And yeah, I mean, this was pretty attractive. That's a 10-day chart. Go to the 1-month chart. And again, you can see there is a slowly incline happening. So I hopped into that to ride it on up. SDPI, what is that? That's Superior Drilling Products. It is a quick rundown of that. Superior Drilling Products is a drilling and completion tool technology company. It is a designer and manufacturer of new drill bit horizontal drill string enhancement tools for the oil, natural gas, and mining services industry, and blah, blah. So anyways, that's what I purchased in, and it was up in that one as well. I believe I was actually able to get into this company at 113 a share. Yes, I purchased this at 113 a share on Friday, and it has went up once I purchased it, and it is finished out at 116. So actually, it was up on that day. Then my other position is Kosmos Energy. This one's in a pretty active stock here as of late. I'm in at $2.80. This is actually my biggest holding currently, and everything is involved around the energy and natural gas sector currently. Like I said, 4 of the 5 days of the week, the energy sector seems to be going up. So that seems to be the most fruitful for me, and that's why I'm into it currently. And hopefully I can change with the market, but currently the energy sector is what seems to be working for me. So yes, Cosmo Energy. So again, this is a 1-month chart. It's not nearly as impressive, but we go over this overall. Here's a 3-month chart, and you see there is this incline happening here. And 1 year ago, before the pandemic, this was trading at about $5.75, $6 a share. It has dropped as low as $1.50, and it has been working its way up again since November, as most energy sectors have been working their way up since November. And until that changes, I'm gonna roll with the energy sector. I'm gonna sell on the highs, buy on the dips, and just keep it going. So that's what I did on Friday. Like I said, I purchased two of the companies that I purchased in, Phoenix and SDPI. Here in the post market, I'm up 2%, and my account now is it's going up. I mean, this is actually because Thursday was a bloodbath for me for the most part, and this was down to roughly around 76. So I did actually sell a company, made some money, and yeah, I'm really excited. Looking forward to Tuesday. So that was I did, and that was my quick analysis of Sundial. And if y'all wouldn't mind, please hit that like and subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Hope y'all have a fantastic day. Thank you.